So we got a new camera. Let's get it. We're gonna be making a new roll today. We're gonna be making a lobster dynamite roll, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys are excited. And yeah, my apologies for not posting a video in so long. But new camera, new quality videos. Let's get it, guys. All right, so I boiled some lobster, and I'm actually gonna just use the tail of it. So I'm gonna put my finger right here, put my finger in, and then pull and break off the tail piece. Okay, I'm gonna rinse it off. Once I do that, I'm just gonna take my knife and cut it right in the center. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna cut the center so that I can get all the lobster meat out. Alright, I'm gonna crack it open just like that. Wow, look at that, guys. Okay, since I already cooked it, got the lobster tail out just like that. Alright, so once I have my lobster tail, I'm just gonna take it now. I'm gonna cut it into little dice-sized pieces, some small pieces, okay? And then I'm gonna make a lobster dynamite with it. Okay, so we're gonna take our lobster and we're gonna mix it with some sriracha, spicy mayo, lemon juice, and sesame oil, okay, to give it some flavor. And this is going to be used for the top of the sushi roll, okay? I'm gonna just bake it off a little bit to give it some color and all that. Okay, so tablespoon of sriracha, 2 teaspoons of sriracha, okay? Tablespoon and a half of mayo, and then I'm gonna take some topiko, which is some eggs. I'm gonna take about a tablespoon of that and put that in. Okay, so just like that, and then mix it all up. So see how good that looks, right? Okay, you guys can put a drop or two of lemon juice and then a teaspoon of maybe sesame oil. It'll give it a lot more flavor. Okay. All right, so let's start making the roll. Okay, guys. So I'm going to make this one really simple. I want to make it just straight, mainly a dynamite roll, lobster dynamite. So I'm gonna put just crab meat on the center, and then I'm gonna top it with these lobster, okay? And then we're gonna cook it off. So I'm gonna take my rice, and I'm gonna spread my rice down, of course, as usual. Okay, spread the rice down. Okay, and then once we have that, flip it over, put in crab meat. Okay, I'm gonna use 2.5 pieces of crab sticks just to make it a little bit more full. Okay, and then we're gonna roll it up and then fix it out with the bamboo mat. All right. So you guys can obviously, put more fillings into this, but I just wanted to make it really simple. Okay, because I just wanted a nice little snack. Okay, so once I have that, I'm gonna cut it into 8 pieces, like normal. So yeah, it's a little thin of a sushi roll, but it's just this is going to be one of those rolls where we just top it more. All right, pieces. Okay, and then once we have that now, I'm gonna just take aluminum foil actually, and we're gonna plate the sushi sideways. So as you can see, it's just a pretty simple crab sushi roll. Okay, so I'm gonna lay it out like that. Okay, once I have that, I'm gonna fold it up a little bit, put my toppings on top, and then we're gonna bake it off, all right? Okay, and then once it's done, we'll garnish it and all that good stuff. So give or take, that's what it's supposed to look like, guys. Some crab roll with lobster dynamite on top, right? Now I'm just gonna bake it off for a few minutes, and then yeah, we'll get back to you guys. Alright, so I pretty much put this in for 350 degrees for about like 8 minutes, but yeah, I would recommend putting this into the oven for 350 degrees until it's nicely golden on top, and the color looks nice. Okay, so as you can see. Okay, so this is how it comes out after it's done. You guys can just directly take it off and put it on a plate. Okay, so just like that. Alright. And this is the Dynamite lobster roll, okay? So just like that, and I'm gonna tap it with some scallion whites because that's what I had. Okay. And just a little bit of sriracha on top. Okay. Ooh. Okay, guys. So this is what it looks like. This is the Dynamite lobster roll. Okay, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. See the lighting, yeah. Alright, yeah, beautiful sushi roll, guys. Hope you guys try it out at home. Hope you guys, and if you guys like the video, you know, please click down, give it a like, and subscribe. Ooh, look at that.